AI is transforming how enterprises operate. But behind every AI initiative, there's infrastructure that can fail, threats that can't be seen, and teams that can't keep up. This is why we built AI Ops. Welcome to Bronyx, product by ITSEC Asia. Let's begin by signing into your workspace by entering your credentials. Select your saved email and password, then click the Sign In button to proceed. Upon logging in, you're greeted by the Bronyx dashboard, providing a high-level overview of scanned assets. Navigate to the Scans section on the left sidebar to view the history of your security scans. For this demo, we use Vulnbank as the company we want to scan. Choose the scan type, such as a full scan, and click the Start Scan button. The platform initializes the session. The orchestrator then begins managing the execution stream, starting with the intelligence phase. As the scan enters the attack plan phase, automated checkers begin running pre-planned security checks, identifying initial vulnerabilities. The workflow dynamically progresses through the hunting, chaining, and verification phases to validate potential exploits. Entering the reporting phase, Bronyx begins refining the discovered findings, such as missing security headers. The platform systematically processes each security finding to ensure accurate classification, while progress indicators track the completion of tasks. Once processing is complete, the final executive summary is generated, and a Scan Completed modal appears. Click Open Scan Detail to review the findings. Scroll down to the Security Assessment Report section to view a comprehensive executive summary of the vulnerabilities found. Scroll back up and toggle to the Graph View to interact with a visual map showing the relationships between vulnerabilities, domains, and endpoints. Clicking a node opens the Node Details panel, displaying specific properties and CWE classifications before returning to the Tree View. To export these findings, scroll down and click Export PDF. Once downloaded, open the file to view the formal report. The generated PDF includes a professional cover page, a table of contents, the scope of work, and the executive summary. Section 3 delivers comprehensive technical breakdowns for each application finding, including proof of concepts and remediation strategies. The document concludes with appendices outlining the risk estimate matrix and the specific test tools utilized. Returning to the browser, you can briefly view the target asset's web interface. Finally, navigate back to the Bronyx dashboard. Open the Profile menu and click Sign Out to complete the session. Be the first to explore Bronyx. World-class AI penetration test in hours.